Hello, guys. This is Mansi Khambati from NPT Study Buddy. Here in today's session of the success story, we have Dravya Mistry. Dravya, please introduce yourself and join us.
Hi everyone, I'm Dravya Mistry. I'm from India. I did my bachelor's from Gujarat University. I'm at present pursuing my master's in exercise physiology from one of the renowned university in Brooklyn. And today is the day I completed 1 year in USA. And prior to coming in USA, I had aimed to complete my license exam and pass it within a year in my first trial, and I did it.
Congratulations, Dravya. That's a big achievement itself. Um,
Thank you.
from start to the end, like just within a 1 year to achieve everything, it's a big achievement itself. Uh, it looks easy when you say just okay, I just completed everything, and I'm like newly licensed physical therapist. But I'm definitely sure that there might be uh, many up and down during this whole journey. Tell us
Yes,
something about your journey. How did you started, and from when did you started like your preparation for NPT exam?
like a year back, I started my journey. So obviously, I'm a student. So there will be a roller coaster ride for a student. You have to be your own parent here, messed up with the job, college studies, college assignments, and your license preparations. So initially, I started by my own self. Found I'm lacking somewhere, so I took help of my colleagues, my seniors, and those who have passed or are going to appear for NPT. So they all told me, maximum of them told me that it's very difficult to pass in first attempt. Hardly one person told me that it's easy, you can pass in your first attempt. And he also suggested me to go for study buddy.
So during your first trial itself, you wanted to have some classes that can help you, right?
Yes, for sure.
And why only study buddy? Why not anything else? Or like, what made you go for just study buddy? I'm definitely sure that more you talk with the other people, they may give you some other suggestions.
Yeah, for sure. Like there were variety of suggestions, variety of sources they asked me to go for. But that person who gave me the positive review for NPT, I thought that I must ask him more about it. So he told me he gave me the number of Ankit Shahi. I talked to him, and the most thing I felt that Ankit Shai was frank about was he asked me to not to take the decision haphazardly, go and watch the lectures of other sources like other people. They are you can compare with their live lectures and our live lectures, then you take the decision. Like who says that in the first talk itself? No one says in this competitive world. They will always say, "Come with me. My team is good and all." But that time I felt that study buddy team might be having that potential, that efficiency to pass each and every student. So I joined it, and I felt that was a really good decision I took, and I didn't have a second thoughts for that. Yeah.
So once you joined the study buddy as a student, how did you prepare by yourself? Like, what are your own changes, or did you just follow the strategies from mentors, or how did you overall did all the whole preparation for your exam?
Initially when I started I joined the classes, I used to make the running notes because that really helped me, because the things what you people say, that words would be really helpful for us rather than just reading and going through the slides. Those things, those words are really golden words for us, for our students. So we I used to write all the things, I used to make the running notes, and I will go through thereafter. And I also prepared the digital notes of the things which could help me, like for differential diagnosis. I will say differential diagnosis would be really helpful if I make my own notes in the tabular form. Like if, for example, if I say for MSK, um, Osgood Schlatter disease and Sinding Larsen disease. they both are happening in the knee in adolescent age. What is the differentiation between them? So one is having the tenderness on the tibial tuberosity and one is having just inferior to patella. So that type of things I was able to capture in a good way during my revision time. So that tabular form really helped me. And apart from that, I went for the I felt that somewhere I'm lacking. So I thought I need some personal attention. So I took the mentorship of Zil Doshi. She is an amazing mentor. And I
We all
felt that,
love her. Yeah, and the
yeah,
newest member that we have.
yeah. And I'm glad that I made her proud. Being her first student, I passed in my first attempt because of her guidance. Was really amazing thing I did for her.
That's good. That's good. So it seems like you have like followed everything, did everything, and definitely Zil has put a good amount of effort from her own side to make you
Yes.
succeed. But I see a lot of things behind you. Can you tell us what's that?
Okay, those are my notes. Actually, if I speak about NPT, it's more of conceptual, but there are few things that you need to memorize. Otherwise, you might forget. So there were few things like lab values. I'm very bad at drugs, so I also made the notes of it. So I made first of all the topics, list of topics that I'm not good at. So I prepared the notes for the same, and I just
Put it
stuck
on a
on,
wall.
yeah, put it on the wall. And every morning or whenever I pass through, I can just go through that. I can scan everything, and at the end I was able to so much good in that, that even if a person can wake me up from my sleep, I can speak everything. I
Yeah.
was pro in that.
Yeah. So it's like a visual memory. You're building the
Yeah,
visual
yeah,
memory.
yeah. I was building the visual memory.
That's good. How about any system related tips that you would like to share about?
Okay, I will definitely like to start from non-system because that
Wow,
was
that's my favorite too.
I'm sorry, but I was weakest at that subject, in that subject. So non-systems, I was not gaining points in that system. So I talked with Zeel ma'am and Ankit sir that what shall I do. So they advised me to make the make the notes of all the rationalists from TAD, from score builders, from PEAT, everywhere. Make the notes in a tabular form, like if the we can say of the research research designs, first comes the systematic review, then comes the cohort study. So that pyramid also really helped me. In that way, I made my notes and in a very concise form, and my known systems was hardly for 10 pages which I used to refer, and that
Wow.
really helped me to gain points in my non-system. That was really helpful. Now I will like to talk about the other systems. No doubt the running notes were really helpful for me, but other than that, I like to tell that Good Man is a really good book, because the connections which we might feel that we are not able to get from the live lectures, we can connect from the Good Man. And the system interaction is very good from the Good Man. The lab values and all is a really most important thing which a person need to mug it up, because otherwise you can mess up with everything in other systems. So I also put that lab values and all on my wall.
That's good.
Yeah. Then going for the cardiopulmonary main things which helped me a lot was Sullivan tables and ACSM tables, and of course the running notes, the class lecture notes. Musculoskeletal and neuro was similar, as I made the tabular forms, and I used to go with the pictorial questions. I used to prepare my notes for the pictorial things. These are my pictorial questions, and I made few of the notes of the my tabular form. I'm sorry, this were my tabular form things I used to make like this.
That's
And
good.
yeah, that will actually help you, that everything will be in a concise form. And while reading book, I used to like write everything up. Like if you read a paragraph, you will get an idea of what they are saying, and I will write in my own words. Like if you put your own effort in your brain, like if you put your own efforts of thinking, you will be better, your understanding will be better.
How about neuro? Anything specific about the neuro?
Neuro, uh, Mayank sir was the best for the neuro, and apart from that, the Sullivan was good for me. That's it. But I really felt that Mayank sir was good in that. I just referred to his lectures and notes.
That was
That's it.
helpful.
Yeah, really helpful for me. I
That's
felt
good.
that he just covered whole of Sullivan, so
Yeah,
didn't realize that I need to go and read through that.
that's a good
But he
thing.
was good.
Yeah. How about in general, those students who are going to take the exam in like October? Any tips or advices for those students, like what they definitely have to do or what they should avoid it?
So first of all, I will just advise one thing, that be confident. Your confidence is the only thing that you can be oriented to your goal. Otherwise, you may deviate. Second thing, just make a schedule. Like if you have appointed, like if your exam timing is from 8 to 1 or 2 to 7 or something, you just need to sit for that stretch, for that timings like 8 to 1. You need to sit for that 5 hours and read, do rationalize.
That's a wonderful tip when you said that try to practice in the same hours
Yeah,
at the time, like when your exam is scheduled. So I
yeah,
think that opens up, that is like training
yeah.
your brain, right?
Brain, yeah, for sure. Otherwise, some people may messed up with those timings, and they might be sleepy during that time, or their brain might be shut down. But they need to practice from now onwards, and that really helps for your brain training. At last, at the end, the pass screen will give you the goosebumps. All those scars and screams and nightmares and fears will all be worth it. So don't give up at any point. I went through all the emotional breakdowns. I know each and everyone would be at the same stage, but don't give up. Make this your first and last attempt, or just make this as a last attempt. You can do it. Okay.
Definitely, Dravya. Thank you so much, because a lot of positivity is needed all the time.
Yeah.
I think each and every student has a lot of up and down during their preparation time. They
Yes.
break down at certain point. They start asking themselves whether they can do it, right?
Yeah.
Sometimes you are confident, sometimes you are not. I think pretty much all are going to go through all the phases. But
Yes.
yes, if you keep up with the pace, you are going to definitely win the race, you know. So that's
Yeah.
right. Thank you so much, Dravya, being here. It was nice talking to you. Thanks.
My pleasure, ma'am.